guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are going to be doing a video tutorial, guys. This is to do with StreamElements Multistream, and I'm going to show you guys how this stuff works. So as you guys see here, I got my YouTube already connected. Like, this is the only platforms I basically stream on. They got other platforms here like Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, Twitter, which I don't use anymore because I don't see the point in it and why it's needed. I just don't see any point in that platform anymore. So I deleted it a long time ago. But yeah, you get things like this, which will tell you your canvas and all kinds of other different things, as you can see here. So as you guys see, I got vertical connected, YouTube, Twitch connected. You can change the settings, which I'm not gonna do. I'm just showing you guys how it looks, the canvas settings, and all this stuff. You got advanced, which goes by bit rate, you know, all that different stuff. And this would be broadcast settings, which, you know, shows you, like update your other platforms like Kick or even others. However, I will say it's not perfect by any means. Like, it does have its moments where it does glitch. Like, for instance, the other day I was live streaming and the YouTube chat wasn't popping up and I missed some messages. Thankfully, Mix It Up caught it and I was able to notice, and I had to refresh it. And that's what got it working. But I will say, out of all the, streaming, multi-stream softwares out there, like, this is the most basic and the most convenient one. I'm not saying it's, like I said, I'm not saying it's perfect by any means. And it's not too bad. And then you also got the start streaming, which I'll show you what this looks like. See, this is how it normally looks like. You would start on Twitch. Like, I'm not starting a stream today. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, the outputs, all that. So this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys the website I go to that I use. So yeah, let me do that. So you go to SE.Live and it says multi-streaming made easy. SE.Live is the best and simplest to stream everywhere, 100% free. And then you just download SE.Live, and that's all you basically do. Unified multi-chat. It's free, like anyone can use it. And it shows the people who are talking about it. And yeah, it's not too bad. So that's SE.Live, guys. This is my video tutorial. Like I said, you can do vertical, which is over here too. You can create a canvas. For example, like some of my docs, like I got the vertical one, and you do that via this way where it says canvas. So that's how that works, basically. That's how that works. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one. But like I said, that's the canvas, there's the vertical, and that's how that works. So thank you so much, guys, for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.